So this is their first experience outside. And I think they're all just kind of bunching up for safety. They're like, what the heck is going on here? I bet you Pumpkin there will probably get out and venture out. Like, what the heck's going on? What did you do to us, Daddy? That's Mr. Gravy out there by himself. That's the Brain coming in. The collars don't match their old colors, so you'll have to excuse that. Gotta get Sunshine some FaceTime. Little Sunshine. Tank, of course, is in the middle of everything. I just don't know what to do with all this. Mama's close by. She's right here behind me. Hey, Mama. Look at little Miss Pinky go.